Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation. And here we've got the gestures. As you can see here, you can also reorder the back button and the recents if you will decide that you want to leave the buttons applied. So let's tap on gestures. If you'd like to, you can go through the tutorial just by tapping on Learn. I don't want to do it because I will also show you how to use the gestures in a second. Instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. If you'd like to, you can hide it. It's totally up to you. And here you can customize the gestures. Here we've got also the sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device and release it. The same from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something, maybe not like that, something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so higher. And after releasing here, you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.